Hello everyone, this is my review of the ParmCrisps Jalapeno cheese crisps. You get that bold, authentic cheese taste right away, followed by a nice jalapeno kick. The heat is noticeable, but not overwhelming. It adds just enough spice to make the snack exciting without overpowering the cheese. These crisps are light, crispy, and very satisfying to bite into. They're not brittle or crumbly, and they hold together well whether you're snacking straight from the bag or using them with dips. I also really appreciate how well they fit into a keto or low-carb lifestyle. They're made with 100% real cheese, are high in protein, gluten-free, and low in carbs. The jalapeno flavor adds a bit of heat, so if you're sensitive to spice, you'll want to keep that in mind. And because they're so flavorful, it's easy to keep reaching for more. Overall, if you like a little heat and want a crunchy, cheesy snack that works for keto or low-carb eating, these jalapeno ParmCrisps are definitely worth trying. I highly recommend it, and I hope this review helps.